Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common issue that Xfinity users face, their remote not pairing with TCL TVs. If you're dealing with this frustrating problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to get your Xfinity remote synced up with your TCL TV in no time. Step 1. Checking batteries. First things first, let's check the batteries in your Xfinity remote. Sometimes, weak or incorrectly placed batteries can prevent proper pairing. Open the battery compartment, ensure they're inserted correctly, and replace them if necessary. Step 2. Power cycling. Next, let's power cycle both your Xfinity box and TCL TV. Start by unplugging both devices from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can often resolve communication issues between the remote and TV. Step 3. Pairing the remote. Now, let's pair your Xfinity remote with your TCL TV. Here's how you can do it. Press and hold the setup button on your remote until the LED at the top changes from red to green. Enter the 3-digit code for TCL TVs. You can find this in the remote's manual or online. The LED should blink green twice to confirm the code entry. Try pressing the power button on the remote to see if it turns your TCL TV on or off. If it works, great. If not, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Manual code entry. If the automatic pairing didn't work, you can manually enter TCL TV codes using these steps. Press and hold the setup button until the LED turns green. Enter 929-1 on the remote's keypad. The LED should blink twice. Now, enter the TCL TV code. Again, refer to your remote's manual or online resources. The LED should blink twice again to confirm. Test the remote by pressing the power button to check if it now controls your TCL TV. Step 5. Resetting the remote. If you're still having trouble, you might need to reset your Xfinity remote. Here's how. Press and hold the setup button until the LED turns green. Enter 928-1. The LED will blink green twice. Now, repeat the pairing process from step 3 or step 4. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Xfinity remote paired with your TCL TV smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.